Hey everybody, it's Dean Da Costa, the Search Authority, and today we're going to look at a tool called Tweeple Search. Now let's think about that. Tweeple. Twitter. Pretty easy. So this is just a really cool, simple, and easy way to find people. So you can search under profiles, bios, influencers, hashtags, whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick profiles, of course, hashtags. And that's really it. I could put Twitter bios, but we're just going to go with this. So I'm going to pick on, I love picking on Java Developer. Everybody should know that by now. So I'm going to pick on Java Developer and push the button and voila. Simple, easy. Oh, and by the way, did I mention you can export this to a CSV? You're going to get their, what you're going to get out of it is their LinkedIn URL, their name, and the other info is available. In some cases, they even have other information there. And that's it. Easy peasy, simple. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. So let's pick something different besides Java Developer, because Lord knows it's not like I don't do enough Java Developer. You know what? Let's pick Doctor. Doctor, but spell it right, because I don't spell well. And but dang, this one is not a doctor, but these others are doctors. Of course, you also have Doctor Who. So this is the one where you have to be a little careful because, you know, it's like doctor is kind of nebulous. So let's try dentist. Ah, yeah, dentist might be fun. Let's see what we get. Oh, look at all that. Dentist, MD. Britt Baker. She's also a pro wrestler, by the way. So there you go. Me personally, I think I'd stick with things that are a little bit simpler and a little bit easier to figure out. So Java developer, project manager, program manager, maybe nurse might actually work. Let's see. Let's try nurse here real quick. Yeah, nurse works. So there you go. Now keep in mind, I'm doing Twitter profiles. Let's see what happens when we get rid of the Twitter profiles. Instead, we go to Twitter bios. That should be interesting. Let's see what that's. Ah, looks like you reached your daily. Oh, I reached my daily limit. I got to log in. I'm not logged in. Keep that in mind. You can log in. I'm not going to log in right now. But now we know you get like 3 or 4 searches, and then you have to sign up for free and all that good stuff. Log in. You got to log in with your Twitter is pretty much all you got to do. So, okay, fine. We'll log in only because I'm in a good mood. Got to put in an email address, so we'll put in that one only because that's the one they sent me a nice email. Okay, great. Yay for them. In the meantime, let's get over here so we can see what's going on. So let's see if the email came in, blah, blah, blah. It looks like it did. You guys can't see it, but don't worry about it. So we're going to verify. That was bizarre. So we went to verify, and what ended up happening is it just took me right to the invitation is used already. Oh, well, that's good then. So let's get in here. Oh, here we go. So now we are here. So this is the bio search. This is the analyzer. This is the compare accounts. There is pricing, so it's not totally free. You get this. You get number 25 a day, 100 searches, top 500, blah, 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 blah. That's good. That's okay. That's more than enough to get this done. So basically, that's it. That's the way it works. Let's go ahead and get back in here so we can make sure we got it right. So it is www.Tweeple search. That'll pretty much get you where you want to go. I'm going to actually get rid of most of that URL and get down here and see what happens. Okay, it brings it back, whatever. And that's it. So this is where you'll do your search based on Twitter profiles, bios, whatever. And we did say we wanted to try the bios, so let's do that. We're going to also stick with Java Developer because we know that's working well. There you go. It still works. So I'm going to go ahead and export this because I'm just kind of curious. I'm sure it's going to take a moment or two to export it, and Lord knows it isn't. Here we go. Time to look up you can do this actually. Oh, so you can only export, evidently, by paying for it. Well, yeah, there's other ways. Let's see what happens. We use Instant Data Scraper, and look at that. We get everybody in their LinkedIn avatars and Twitter avatars and their Twitter URLs. Which, by the way, you can use this to stick into Seekout, into Hire Tool, into Swordfish, into Who Knows, into any one of a number of other tools, and they'll fill in the blanks for you. So, nah, we don't have to pay for it. I love finding ways to make it so you don't have to pay. It's just a highlight of my day. So there we go. But that's it. That's Tweeple Search. And now you also learned how to use other tools, in this case, Instant Data Scraper, to basically game the system and get what you want. So there you go. My name is Dean Da Costa, the Search Authority. This is Tweeple Search. May the source be with you.